Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the keyboard has power and is in pairing mode. Most use a long press on the power key. On your phone, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth, then turn Bluetooth on. Keep the Bluetooth page open so your device can finish discovery. You're doing this first because discovery often times out. Keeping the screen active prevents interruption. Once the keyboard appears in the list, you'll be ready to select it. Don't tap elsewhere yet. Once you see the keyboard name on your phone, tap it to start pairing. This triggers a secure exchange. If the phone shows a PIN prompt, either accept the code or type it on the keyboard and press enter. That verifies the connection. Make sure you watch for a status that says paired or connected. Some phones display a small keyboard icon. If the keyboard requests permission to access media keys or similar, allow only what you trust. After pairing, test typing in Notes or a search field. Finalize by opening any text app and typing to confirm the layout and that keys send characters correctly. Adjust language or keyboard layout in settings if letters mismatch. If things go wrong, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart your phone and try pairing again. That clears transient errors. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the keyboard using its factory reset method, and then repeat pairing. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.